Logo Genie Pro is one such software, which claims you can be up and running in no time, even if you don't have any Photoshop skills under the hood. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back and read our Logo Genie review if you're looking to break free from your overpaid graphic designers. So, what exactly is Logo Genie? Do you need it? How does it work? Do you need any technical expertise? Don't worry, we got you covered. Logo Genie Pro is a cloud-based platform on which you can create high-quality graphics and logos. Would you be surprised if we told you you don't need any Photoshop or design skills to build one yourself? This software has an array of graphics to choose from. You can start from a pre-made template, then the only limit is your imagination. It can make for a decent side income too if you decide to sell the graphics on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Odesk. The good and the not so good. The good, easy to use. Can create an unlimited amount of logos. 100% money back guarantee. Web-based. Can upload your own photos to the platform. Can design for clients and resell for a profit. Good income opportunity. The not so good, not supported by formats such as apps, AI, or PSD. You do have to spend a bit of time going through the tutorials in order to get a complete understanding of how to take full advantage of the functionality of this software. Tools and training. Here is a short video which gives you a glimpse of how this software product works. The members area has several tutorials for setup and use and access to support. 300 pre-made templates are available which can be edited as necessary related to color and text. Ability to upload your own custom images. Logo is an Illustrator format, so you can scale for printing on banners or book covers. More than 15 categories of logo designs with a search function. 200 fonts are available, and you can edit the size and color. Can save your logos in PNG, JPG, SVG, or GIF formats. You have a canvas size of 800 x 500 pixels which provides a good workspace, and you can save in 70-150 x 300 pi which allows you to determine the quality of ad definition and do any cropping as needed. Although there is a built-in cropping tool, you can also use sites such as Image Resizer to resize and crop an image prior to uploading to Logo Genie Pro. In addition to logos, you can create characters, calls to action, icons, favicons, etc. 3-step process. 1. Select your desired template. 2. Edit the logo by customizing the font type and size and the color. 3. Save in the format of your choice SVG, JPG, GIF, PNG. If you want to use your image offline to print, then it is best to use scalable vector graphics SVG.